physical properties of alkanes. So let's have a look on the physical properties of alkanes. First of all, if we have any compound, then they may have two types of properties. Every compound is having two types of properties. Two types of properties, and these properties, number one is the physical properties, and the second we have the chemical properties. So in this lesson we will have a look on the physical properties of the alkanes, that what are the physical properties. So let's start from the first property of the alkane. It is the first four alkane members. If we have a look on the first four alkane members, these members are named as, that is, methane. The second one we have ethane. Third one we have propane, and the last one we have butane. These are the first four members of the alkanes. They are present in the gaseous state, so they are mainly gases. So this is the physical state of the alkanes, and we are talking about the next 13 members. Then next 13 members, these 13 members are as colorless liquid. They are as colorless liquid. And if we are talking about the higher members, then next on the higher members. The higher members are going to be start from, as these are the four members, from carbon 18 to next or higher members. They are found in the solid state. So this is the physical state of the alkanes, that the first four members are in the form of gaseous, then the next 13 members are as colorless liquid, and next we have the from carbon 18 to onward they are in the solid state. After that, if we are talking about the second property, mainly they are non-polar. The alkanes are non-polar. What does mean by the non-polar? That their electronegativity difference very less, and they are insoluble in water. They are insoluble in water. This is the property of the alkanes. But they are soluble in organic solvents. In organic solvents, and the organic solvents, we have many examples of organic solvents, like we have benzene, we have carbon tetrachloride. These are the organic solvents, and the alkanes are soluble in this. Next we have the third one property of the alkanes. They have low melting and boiling point. They have low melting points and low boiling points. What is the reason behind low melting and boiling points? Because they are volatile in nature, and next their alkanes having the gradual increase. They have gradual increase of melting and boiling point, of melting point and boiling point, with the increase in their molecular size. When the molecular size of the organic compounds is gonna to be increases, or the alkanes increases, then their boiling and melting point is also gonna to be increase. Next we have the fourth one property for the alkanes. It is the density of alkanes. When we are going to talk about the density of alkanes, it is increase regularly. There is increase regularly by increase in their molecular mass. Molecular mass mean as we are moving from lower to higher, from carbon 1 to onward to higher carbon, then the molecular size is going to be increased. In turn, their density is also going to be increased. And what does mean by density? Density is mass to volume ratio. Next, we have the fifth one property of the alkanes. It is alkanes become more viscous. They become more viscous, and when they become more viscous, when their molecular size is gonna to be increased. When their molecular size is gonna to be increased, then they become more viscous. At the end, we have the sixth one property for the alkanes. The alkanes are highly flammable. They are flammable. As the size of the molecules increases, their size is going to be increased, then the percentage of carbon in them is also going to be increased. As a result, the alkanes become less flammable. They become less flammable. So, as if the percentage of carbon is less, then they are highly flammable. But on the other hand, as the size is going to be increased, the percentage of carbon is also going to be increased, then they are going to become the less flammable. So this is the simple physical properties of the alkanes, that what is their density, what is their physical state, their polarity, melting and boiling point. I hope you guys understand about the today's lecture, as it was very simple. Next, if you have any queries related to this, you can ask me about that in the comment section. For that time, have a good day and Allah Hafiz.